So today the product that we are going to review is an anti-dandruff shampoo. Its name is Keraglow AD. Dandruff is a very common problem and most of the people they suffer from dandruff and they use different products. So I thought I've been using this product from last 4 to 5 years, so it is good to kind of give a review for this product. So we are going to rate it on different parameters, which is pricing, packaging, smell, texture, effectiveness, and also we are going to very briefly tell how to apply this. So first, coming to the pricing of this product, so you can see over here it is a 75 ml product and the pricing is 295 rupees. However, my experience is if you buy it online or you go to a chemist, you would usually get it in between 250 to 275 rupees. So in terms of pricing, I would like to give it 8 out of 10. Now coming to the packaging part, so you can see here two objects on your screen. So the one with the you can see is a bottle of shampoo and the other one is the external packaging. So again, I would like to give 8 out of 10 and for the packaging part. Now coming to the smell or the fragrance part, so I think it has a very pleasant kind of a smell. So I would like to again give it 8 out of 10. Now coming to the texture part, and by texture I mean usually there are two kinds of shampoo when we apply them to the scalp. One is which do not make a lot of foam and they create a little bit of a trouble because then you have to wet your hair a lot and it is a little bit of an issue. But this product is very good that way, so you can only use a very small quantity and it spreads very evenly throughout your scalp. So it is very effective in terms of texture, so I like to rate it 9 out of 10. Now coming to the most important aspect, effectiveness, that what it is meant for and what are the results. So as I told you in the beginning, I've been using this product since last 4 to 5 years and I am completely amazed by this product. This is one of the best products you can come across, and I've never seen in last 4 to 5 years my dandruff coming back. So this is a very good product that way, so I like to give it again 9 out of 10. Now coming very briefly to the application part, how to apply it. So basically one thing also to consider is that this Keraglow AD comes in two forms. It comes as a solution and it comes as a shampoo. So right now what you are seeing on your screen is shampoo. I've utilized the both. I've utilized solution, I've utilized shampoo as well. Solution you have to apply and leave it overnight and then wash in the morning. Shampoo you have to do as you do normally. So, and my experience is shampoo is much better compared to the solution. So one should be careful when they are making the purchase to go for the shampoo and not for the Keraglow AD solution. So applying this is very easy. So you can just, while you are having your bath, so you can just take a little bit of this shampoo, apply it on your scalp and it spreads. But important aspect to know is, so you need to massage it evenly in your scalp for 1 minute. And then for 5 minutes, you just leave it and then you wash your hair. So, but this is very important that you leave it for 5 good minutes and do not wash it before ideally before 5 minutes. So this is not the usual kind of shampoo that you wash away in 30 seconds or 1 minute. Then it is not going to be that effective. And you can utilize it. So if you have severe dandruff, then you can utilize it twice in a week. But I usually use it once in a week and I feel that is more than enough. If you are using any other shampoo as well along with it. If you shampoo like twice in a week. So this was the review of Keraglow AD shampoo. If you have any questions or any comments, you are most welcome to post them under this video. Thank you so much.